Hi, in the second tutorial you're going to see how to set up PyCharm properly and how to make your first program. If you followed along with my last tutorial, you should be able to open PyCharm now, and this is the window you're going to be welcomed with. So first off, you want to customize it. You have a simple option on the left, go to customize, and you can select your favorite color theme from the list below. I would recommend Darkula. It's basically just dark mode for PyCharm. On default, PyCharm might be on this setting, which is just terrible. I don't know who likes light mode. So let's go back to Darkula. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and go to projects, new project, and this is the next window you're going to get. You can just name it anything you want. For example, hello world. Traditionally in programming, that's what the first program's usually called. And once you named your project, just press create. Once you've done that, you should be able to see this window, and now we can start figuring out how to make our first program. First, next thing you want to do is right click your hello world or whatever you named your project and create a new file. You can name it whatever you want. You have to keep in mind that the name can be used in code sometimes, so you shouldn't name it anything unreasonable. Most likely just use a single word, and that would be the best. I'm just going to name it first program. Once you named your file, in this window over here you want to choose Open Matching Files in PyCharm and choose Python, then just press OK. Now that you're in this file, we can just start coding. The simplest thing you can do in Python is just to print out text on the console, and to do that there is a simple command. It's basically just plain English mostly with Python, and the command is just print brackets and then in quotation marks you just put anything you want to print out on the console. So for example, hello world. And now to run this file, you can simply right click on it and run first program, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-F10. And when we run it, it works. It just prints out hello world to the console just as we programmed it. And that's your first Python code. It's as simple as it looks. And in the next episode, we're going to start programming some more things. And yeah, that's it. Yeah.